All right, there's a new feature on trackmyoptions.com, but before I show it to you, let me explain why it exists. If you log into your broker and ask your broker or look for your average cost from your broker, it's going to give you a number. For example, on our broker right now, it says that our average cost on Webull is $9.66. It says that we're actually down by 15%, $439. But remember, what we do is the wheel strategy, which means we sell cash secured puts until we buy the shares. And then once we buy the shares, we sell calls against those shares. And sometimes, including on this example, while we own the shares, we sell more puts. Well, what about all that premium? It's still the same ticker. Even though technically it's a different transaction, it's still the same ticker. So before I own the shares, when I own the shares, and while I own the shares, and I'm selling puts and calls, all that premium can be added against my average cost to effectively bring it down. What does this do for me? It allows me to see my true profit. It allows me to then get more aggressive selling calls, and it allows me to make more money because when I sell calls at a lower price, I of course make more money. Today, I want to show you the brand new feature. If you go to Track My Options and go to your navigation tab, you will notice a new beta feature called True Cost, which is going to help you know exactly what you actually own and what the true cost is. Here's how it works. When you click on True Cost, we're going to type in Bull. We're going to do the Webull example. And when you type in Bull, it'll actually fetch the true current price. You can see $8.20 here on the top, $8.20 here. So it's going to fetch the true price. If you ever want to refresh it, click the refresh button. Then we're going to input all of the information. How you do that, your brokers are going to be different, but for me, I'm going to go over to my broker really quick. I'm going to scroll down to Webull. I'm going to click on Webull, and I'm going to then go down into history. You got to find the history of the ticker symbol. For Robinhood, it's super easy. So now that I found the history, I'm going to first figure out what my true cost was by answering all the questions. So the first thing it says is, what was your acquisition price? Well, it says right here on November 7th, I had the assignment, meaning I bought the shares at $10, $3,000 worth, which means 3 contracts, aka 300 shares. So I'm going to put in $10, 3 contracts. That tells me what my true cost was and what my cost reduction has been. Obviously 0 right now, but we're going to get this true cost number here in a minute. So it actually pulls, I'm about $540 negative. It's telling us that versus $8.20. And again, I can refresh that. Now it's $8.23. So you can see it's changed. Anyway, what I'm now going to do is I'm going to put in all of my sell side credit. Notice all the ones sell. All those ones I'm going to put in one column. And then on the buy side, buy. I'm going to put all those in the other column. I did it really easy for you guys so that you can easily do this. How I would do this is just split it. And then I actually made it to where you just hit enter. So check this out. So 102 is sell. So I'm going to put 102, enter. 45, enter. 34, enter. I'd recommend doing all of them at once. 75, enter. 165, enter. I'm going to skip the buy one. 111, enter. Then we skip the next buy one. 90, enter. 28, enter. And 111. Okay, so I got all those. Now I'm going to go to the buy side. So now again, same thing. I'm finding all of them that say buy. There it is, buy. 15, enter. 27, enter. 21, 18. Perfect. So now I've got sell side credits, buy side debits. Now I'm going to make this big for you. So that then tells me what my net premium is. Now here's how cool this is. It's taking all the premium I've collected, all the premium I've spent for a net result of $680. Well, my original cost is $3,000, meaning I've reduced my cost by $227 or 22%. That means my true cost is $7.73. Well, let's refresh where it currently is right now. It's $822. That then tells me my unrealized profit is actually 6.36%, meaning I've made $147.50 if I were to just exit everything as we speak. That's important because now, instead of selling calls above the break-even price that the broker says, which is $9.66, which, by the way, let's face it, if I were to sell a call above $9.66, it would put me out to $10. That's $23 per contract. So I'm going to make $23 per contract versus I could now go to $8, $82 per contract. I just 4x'd my income because I'm actually doing the calculation correctly. This allows you to be more aggressive. Now, here's where it gets even better. I can then click Save Calculation. When I click on Save Calculation, check what happens. I could let's refresh the screen. So pretend you log back in, you've been gone a week, gone a day. Something happens, you sell a new call, you sell a new put, or you buy one of them back. You edit it on whatever side, whether you close one out and buy one back or added a new one. You edit it and get your new true cost per share. You don't have to keep entering this and wondering what it is. It's already saved. And then once you edit it, click Save Calculation again, and you have it there. I think this is a game changer for you guys because this is going to allow you to play the game at an even higher level. I hope you enjoy. We'll see you in the next video.